be able to validate and back up the facts and make sure that people's votes count. Because if our votes don't count, then is this a democracy?
Right. And that's the thing. You're really trying to focus on what happens next for the
Right.
next election. There's nothing we can do about the past. The past is what it is. We got. Here we are. We'll look at the math. We'll learn from it. And hopefully we'll course correct. But reality is, how do we move forward together? And how do we make sure that we can trust the system, especially with the way it's going right now? How do we even implement more trust into this system? Because it seems like we're really on shaky legs right now.
Yep. It really is. We are at like a turning point in our country. You know, it's a tumultuous and a scary time. But, you know, I want to be able to be grounded in data and like be grounded in that reality, because I know I can trust the data and I know I can trust, you know, that is the truth. You know, I want to be able to trust that as the truth. I trust actual reality.
That's the closest we're going to get to the truth.
I need them to equal each other.